Hello everyone, welcome to Godot, and today we will learn how to use tileset and tile map editor for Spritesheets. For this, firstly create a tile map node. Yes, and now we have to choose our tileset. Empty new tileset and click. And now we have a tileset editor. And then drag and drop your sheet PNG. And then we can choose our tilesets for creating our maps, dungeons, and else. And so that firstly click new single tile that region, and yes, and then select a snap. We have snap options, and so that you can adjust these values, step values, for this tile map, for Spritesheet. For example, if is x and y values towards 2, and I cannot choose a detailed selection in my Spreadsheet, so that I have to find exact value or select exact objects on my tile map, so that 16 value for x and y is exactly exact good value for my tile map. And now I can this square for creating my tiles, and new single tile, select this, 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 and new single tile, select this. And then for all other objects. And if you choose our tile map node, you can use your tiles and you can create your map for this object. And also, if your object is smaller than square, the cell, you can adjust cell size in this panel. For example, our size of tiles 16 pixels, so that I have to adjust this x and y values. And now I can create my map exactly. Done. And also I can have like this platforms and others, and then you can design your map like that. Also in transform panel you can scale your platforms bigger or smaller. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this channel and this tutorials, subscribe my channel and see you next time.